Hi, I'm Apurva from ClearTax. Today, I am here to talk about EPF withdrawal procedure. EPF is a mandatory retirement savings scheme for all employees. The monthly EPF contributions accumulate in the EPF account over the years. You can withdraw the outstanding EPF balance fully or partially when you retire or when you remain unemployed for more than 2 months. There are other circumstances during which you can partially withdraw EPF balance, such as medical purposes, marriage, education, purchase of land, and purchase or construction of house. You can withdraw EPF balance either offline or online. In offline mode, you can submit a Aadhaar-based or non-Aadhaar-based composite claim form to the jurisdictional EPF office. If you want to withdraw EPF balance online, log into the UN portal, go to the Online Services tab and select the claim form 31, 19 and 10C, enter the last 4 digits of your bank account number and click Verify. In the claim form, select the purpose of the claim from the available options. Select PF Advance Form 31 and provide the reason for seeking advance. Submit your application. It usually takes 15 to 20 days for the money to get credited to your bank account. For more details, click the link in the description. Thank you.